So you want me to make a balloon dog, but you want me to give it a little dog face and ears. Let's try it and see how it looks. So we'll start with our light blue. We'll do a small loop twist, followed by a pinch twist, followed by a 3-finger bubble, followed by a pinch twist, followed by another 3-finger bubble, and down. And then for the neck, let's see, for the legs, we're gonna do 3-finger bubble, 3-finger bubble, and then we'll need a pinch twist. Just kind of keep that head where we want it. Like that. And then back legs. We'll do a pinch twist in the back to keep the tail down. Curve the tail a little bit. Okay. So have like this little guy. We'll do the ears. And we'll also use the same dark blue for the nose. I think will look good. So you have to let me know if this is what you had in mind when you said you wanted it to have a little dog face and ears. So those are the ears, right? And then we'll do the nose. And cut off some of that extra. Like that. I don't know if this is what you had in mind. It's a cute little, like, I'm just gonna draw a face. There we go. A cute little balloon dog.